All right, so to all you new RV owners, this is what we need to hook up our camper. Important note, make sure you get a lock for it because meth heads will steal that stuff. And then you go to hook up your camper the night before your epic road trip across the country and you find out that you don't have a trailer hitch. So, learning lesson, RV Solutions is where we bought this camper, and they saved my butt. They had an extra part, and now it is on. It is brand new. They had to dig and dig and dig to find it, and they found it, and they just have been wonderful from start to finish. So RV Solutions, San Diego. If you want to make sure you have the best service, they will take care of you. Our road trip should now start tomorrow, God willing, and we'll be off to this epic adventure. But it has been headache after headache after headache after headache. But Tara and I are stoked to hit the road. Hopefully this is our last hiccup until we get on the road and have to figure out how to do all the other stuff. So, yeah, you guys have a good day. We'll be on the road tomorrow morning, maybe today even, but we're going to get this road trip going. And again, big thanks to RV Solutions in San Diego for taking care of us and coming to the rescue on such short notice. They got me in and out, new hitches installed, and they've been helpful from start to finish. Later, guys.